Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Safari and locating the exact image you want to search. Once there, act immediately. On a Mac, right-click the image. On iPhone or iPad, touch and hold. You will see a context menu. Choose the option that says Search Image or Search Google for Image. This sends the image to a reverse search service and saves you typing. Make sure Safari is updated because older versions may not show the search option. Otherwise, use the share sheet to copy the image URL. Once the initial results appear, you need to refine and interpret them. Start by scanning thumbnails for the closest visual matches, then open any promising pages in new tabs so you can compare context and publication details. If matches are noisy, add keywords or use search operators, cite, to limit a domain or file type, for image formats to narrow results. Make sure to compare image sizes and EXIF hints when available, because similar crops can be misleading. This step finds origins and verifies authenticity. To finish, open the most authoritative source you found, bookmark it, and copy any attribution details or dates you need. If the search returned poor results, try cropping the image to remove borders, take a fresh screenshot, or switch engines. Google, Bing, or TinEye often vary. If the search option doesn't appear, make sure JavaScript is enabled, update Safari, or use desktop mode on mobile. These fixes restore context menus. Finally, double-check file size and resolution, because small images yield weaker matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.